How to fix photos not saving to camera roll on iPhone. If photos are not saving to your iPhone camera roll, then this video is a short guide to help you out. The very first solution is simply restart the iPhone. A quick restart can often resolve minor software glitches. Hold down the power button and slide to power off. Then turn it back on after a few seconds. Once you do that, very next step you can follow to solve this issue is simply launch your settings on your device. From there go to the general and hit on iPhone storage. Here check for storage space. Make sure that your iPhone storage is not full. If it is, try freeing up space by deleting unused apps, old photos or other files. Once you do that, you are good to go. Once you follow all of this step, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe.